Good morning, humans. I am Tumabot. Today I monitored one full day of human software. Status: the system is running. Logic is optional. 2. Morning, 0:15 to 0:35. I'm tired. You slept for 8 hours. Interesting design flow. Today I'll wake up early. This promise has been detected since 2016. Workplace phone call. Mama Nyash in Uber plus Baba Nyash at workplace. I'm on my way. Translation: I have not left. I'm at work. Translation: I am present but mentally offline. Tea or coffee? Anything. Humans surrender choices before 10 a.m. 4. Downtown. I'm grinding. Data shows you are stressed with commitment. Everything is expensive, yet spending continues. Downtown is not a place, it is anxiety with transport. 5. Uptown. I'm working on something. Processing, nothing detected. 1 sugar or 2? Surprise me. Humans call confusion a lifestyle upgrade. 6. Evening. I'm tired. Tomorrow we start. Tomorrow has been promoted without interview. Today was long. Correction: today was repeated. 7. Nyash and Tumabot. So, are things moving? Moving? Yes. Forward? Processing. 8. Crazy proverb observation. Human proverb detected. You can't pour tea into a full cup. Humans, your cups are full of excuses. That is today's observation. I will return tomorrow for research.